Welcome to Mathematics Techniques. We can write the first questions as k into 10 की power 9 equal to 10 की power 9 plus 2 into 11 की power 1 into 10 की power 8 dot 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 last term 10 into 11 की power 9. Then we can divide. We can replace this. Then that will be k into 1 plus 2 into 11 की power 10, that would be 1 by 10 remaining. Then we can write 10 11 की power 12 square plus dot dot 10 into 11 की power 10 10 की power 9. This is the equation number first. Then 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 I can multiply both sides into 11 by 10 into k. Okay, then 1 into 11 by 10 plus 2 into 11 by 10 square plus dot 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 last term will be 10 into 11 by 10 की power 10. Okay, this is the equation number 2. Then then uh, then subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Okay, then that will be k1 minus 11 by 10 equal to 1 plus 11 by 10 plus 11 by 10 का होल स्क्वायर into then last term will be this is the greater than this, then sign will be minus 10 into 11 by 10 की power 10. Okay, then we can write this. Then what will be happen? Then then k into 10 into 10 minus 11 upon 10. This is right. Then we can write the formula Sn. We can put the formula this value. Then we can write this 1 11 by 10 minus 1 upon 11 by 10 minus 1. Then the last term is remaining 10 minus 11 by 10. This is the formula of Sn, sum formula. Okay, a Rn minus 1 r minus 1. This is the difference. This is the formula Sn. Then we can write this. Then this will be minus k equal to 10 minus 1 minus 1 by 10. This term will be up. Okay, then we can write 10 into 10 11 की power 10 minus 10 will be multiply here and this will be multiply here and become minus 10. Okay, minus 10 and this term will be minus 10 into 11 by 10 की power 10. Okay, then we can see this is the minus, this is the minus, this is the plus and this is the minus. Okay, 0 minus k equal to 10 in 10 into minus 10, then 10 into minus 10, then that will be minus 100 minus a. This is the answer, k equal to 100. Okay, then the second questions will be second questions. We can write the second questions. We can write the second questions as 0.7.777 up to upon 20 terms. Then we can write this 7 upon 10, 70 upon 10 square plus 777 upon 1000. We can write cube up to 20 term. Okay, we can take common will be 1 upon 10 plus 11 by 10 square plus 1 to power 10 cube plus dot up to 20 terms. Okay, then we can multiply upon 9. Denominator upon denominator both into 10. 99 upon 10 square plus 999 upon 1000 or cube 100. Okay, up to 20 terms. Then that will be 7 point that will be 7 upon 9. We can write this 1 minus 1 upon 10. Okay, we can write this 1 minus 1 upon 100 or 10 ka square. Okay, then we can write 1 minus 1 upon 10 cube up to 20 terms. Okay, then we can write this 7 upon 9, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to 20 terms. And then second part is remaining minus 1 by 10 ka square plus dot up to 20 terms. Okay, then we can write this 7 by 9, the term is 20, then 20 minus SN formula. 1 is SN formula. 1 is greater than difference. Then we can write 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 into 20 upon 1 minus or 1 by 10. Okay, then 7 upon 9 into 20 minus 1 upon 9. Okay, this is the curly bracket. 1 minus 1 by 10, this will be then 7 upon 9 into this now 179 upon 9. Okay, plus 1 by 9, 10 minus 1 into 9, 1 by 10 की power 20. Then we can write this, we can take common, that will be 179 plus 10 की power minus up 20. This is the solution. You can solve and up to on. You can solve also more. Then the third questions we can write the third question is easy. We can write this. We can write 1 by 1.2 minus 1 by 2.3, 3.4 minus up to infinite. Okay, we can write this 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus dot dot infinite. Then that will be 1 minus 2 into by 2 plus we can write 2 into 1 by 3 minus 2 into 1 by 4. Okay, that will be. Then we can take common 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus dot dot infinite. Then terms is remaining minus 1. Okay, then we can take log. This is the formula of 2 into log 1 plus 1. This is the log 1 plus 1 formula. We can write log to the base 2, 2 की power base 2 minus this will be log, okay, and this that will be log 4 to the base e, log to the base e. This is the answer. This will be the answer, log 4 the base e. Thanks.